Realme just announced two of its new smartphone, which is Realme Narzo 10A and Realme Narzo 10. So in this video we are going to talk about the pros and cons of both the smartphone, and without any further ado, let's begin. So the timestamps of both the smartphone will be given on your screen, so you may jump to any section of the video if you want to. And also, first of all, we are going to talk about Realme Narzo 10A, and here is a spec sheet. I'm not gonna read out all the specification in the later part of the video, so you may pause the video and read the specification of the device. So now coming towards the pros section, and I'm just gonna point out exact thing which I liked about the smartphone. I'm not gonna elaborate any of the things. So it comes with MediaTek Helio G70 chipset, which is 12 nanometer based chipset, and it is one of the most powerful chipset which you can get in this price segment. The smartphone comes with a 5000 mAh of battery, which is quite good for any intensive user because they don't have to plug their smartphone quite a few times in a day. And it also supports the reverse wireless charging, but the rating of the reverse wireless charging is not known, and the regular charging is of 10 watt. There is a triple rear camera setup of 12 megapixel primary, 2 megapixel portrait and 2 megapixel macro. The device comes with Android 10 out of the box. There is a triple slot, which most of the Indian audience obviously want, and the pricing of the smartphone is 8,500 rupees. Now coming towards the cons section, this device comes with micro USB port, which is quite outdated in 2020, and don't expect other two cameras of 2 megapixel portrait and 2 megapixel macro to be more than gimmick. There is a 5 megapixel front camera sensor, which I think is quite less because they should have given at least a 8 megapixel sensor in the front side as well. And there is a single RAM and storage variant, so they are trying to divert all kind of audience into the same track, which I literally don't like. And there are two cons which all the users were asking Realme to fulfill, but they have not done it for quite a long time, which are IR sensor and notification light. You don't get any of these in the Realme Narzo 10A. And now moving towards the Realme Narzo 10. So first of all, have a look at the specification. So now moving towards the pros of the smartphone comes with a MediaTek Helio G80 chipset, which is again one of the most powerful chipset which you will find in this price segment, but we don't know about the heating issue or anything if the processor has. And there is a 128GB base variant model, which is also kind of pros for many of the users, and there is a 16 megapixel selfie camera shooter, and it comes with quad rear camera setup of 48 megapixel primary and 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel portrait and 2 megapixel macro sensor. The device comes with 5000 mAh battery is Realme Narzo 10A, but a new thing is that it comes with 18 watt of quick charging and USB Type-C port. It also comes with Android 10 out of the box, and it also has a triple card support. And the pricing of the smartphone is 12,000 Indian rupee. Now talking about the cons of the device, it comes with a plastic body which most of the users currently don't want, and it has a HD plus display, and for this price segment users will obviously demand a full HD plus display, but they chose to give HD plus display in this one. Don't expect the two portrait and macro sensor to be more than gimmick, and there is just a single RAM and storage variant, so again they are trying to divert all different kind of users to the same track. And even this smartphone has no support for IR sensor, and it has no LED notification light. So this is all the things I have noted about the Realme 10 and 10A. So if you think I missed some of the point in the pros or cons section, then do comment below so that other users will also know about the pros and cons which I missed in the video. So this is all for today. Hope to see you in the next one, and do like, subscribe, comment, share to support the channel. So till my next video, peace.